Well, should have taken that tag off. Yeah, I want to show you this. This is that. Not in a good spot. Not in a good spot. I don't love that. But at least I can get a wrench on it. Yep. Might be one of those days. Not one of those days, but be one of those turbos that fights you a little bit. You know, all the good ones, they don't just give up on the first go. Yep. They're like women. And sometimes just play hard to get. So, and that's okay. That's a good thing. Take these tabs off. Should have taken these tabs off when I thought about it. But oh. Well, should have taken that tag off. That was dumb. Oh, that's a pretty good flame. That looks pretty sweet. Yep, just the tad on fire. Whoops. Well,